So next module, welcome back to this, that is AWS config. What is AWS config and why we go for AWS config? So as we can see, as we have EC2 services, so talking about that, there are different security groups. If we give all traffic, that then it all obviously it will come under non-compliant services, like non-compliance thing. So need to manage that, like we need to monitor those things, we need to monitor those services and make it enable you to access, audit and evaluate all the configuration things that we are doing with all this AWS services. So what config does is that AWS config is a service that will enable you to access, audit and evaluate the configuration of your AWS resources. So whatever the configuration for your AWS resources are there, we will audit it, will assess it and we will evaluate it. So this will be with the help of AWS config. Config will always continuously monitor, like it will always continuously monitor and record your AWS resources. Like if you're tagging, then what is the tag time you have given, what you have changed in that. If we change the tag, then is it it will always monitor and record whatever the configuration changes you're doing with the AWS resources. And it will always allow you to automate the evaluation of recorded configuration. Like any like whatever you do, like the configurations are there and you make changes and you give the desired configuration, all this automated evaluation will be done. With the config, you can always review the changes in the configuration, and thus this relationship between the AWS resources will be in detail. Like all the configuration history and everything will be determined. So it will give you it will be determined you to your overall compliance against any configuration specified in your internal guidelines. So AWS, as you can see that AWS config, it will be a fully managed service that will provide you with an inventory of your AWS resources. So it will let you access, evaluate, audit, automate, monitor and record. So the example I gave you, like you're going through, like you can access, you can evaluate that, you can audit. If there are configuration changes, then you can automate it, you can monitor and you can record those things. This will enable you to simplify your compliance, your auditing, your security analysis and the change management, like the operational troubleshooting what we are looking for. It will be very easy with the help of AWS config. So this is AWS config inside. So on the right hand side, you can see config rule compliance and resource compliance. So here you can see there are 19 non-compliant resources and here 4 rules are there which are non-compliant. So in non-compliant rules, you can see the required tags which are 15 under non-compliant resources, then encrypted volumes and DB instance backup enabled. So here you can see these are the non-compliant resources. In ACM certificate check, you can see one non-compliant resource is mentioned. This compliance report will be there. So what AWS config insight will help you in auditing and compliance of your AWS resources. It will help you with the record configuration changes over time, as there are different configurations changing over time. It will record that. The compliance over time, you can receive alerts using SNS for any changes. So yeah, with the help of SNS, you can receive the alert changes. Then you can receive alerts regarding the changes. Then AWS config is per region service. So it's for every like per region service. So what questions can you solve using the config? So if you have question that does my S3 bucket has a public access, so we need to see that do our S3 bucket has a public access, or whether my security groups like for EC2, as I said earlier, that have an open SSH access. All these things, all these questions can be solved with config, as it will give you the records, it will keep the records, it will have an access, it will monitor. So everything will be very helpful with AWS config inside. So this is overall about AWS config inside, and let's take a break over here.